So this is just a quick tip specific to the IMVU Toolkit for Blender version 1.2.6. Now, if we want to create a pose or an avatar animation, we now need to use the avatar tool. So access those options, click on the little arrow, and then click on Create Avatar Asset. Clothing and poses, avatar animations, are now part of the same tool, or they are part of the same tool for this version of the toolkit. So we'll get our avatar, we can change the gender, so that's independent of whether we are creating clothing or an animation. So now we've got these two options, clothing settings and animation settings. So for animation, we just expose those options and we have the same settings or similar settings that we had before. But in order to pose the avatar, we need to just disable in clothing settings, we need to disable avatar rest position. Disable that and that'll get the avatar into position. Close those, and then we just want to enable Show Avatar Rig. There's the rig, select, switch to pose mode. So we don't have a button for that in the toolkit now. We need to use the interactive mode selection or setting tool, pose mode. So select that from the list, and then we have access to the tool or the rig that we can now create a pose with. So enable auto key, that will drop in the keyframes as we move things around. So we just use our widgets, there is our keyframe, and then we just create our pose as normal and then export. So once we've created our pose, the export button becomes available and we just export. So that's just a quick tip specific to version 1.2.6. Remember to disable avatar rest position in clothing and then show the avatar rig in the animation settings. So again, this may change in future versions, but this is how we do it for this version.